Hi friends, I'm Julia. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, it's so nice to have you. Today's video is especially for anyone who's been feeling mentally drained, scattered, or just not as sharp as they used to be. Trust me, I've been there. And if you've ever walked into a room and completely forgotten why you're there, yeah, I know that feeling too. That's exactly why I wanted to share something that's really helped me. It's called Neuro Energizer. Now, I'll be honest, I was super skeptical at first. I've tried other supplements that claim to boost focus or clarity, but most were either packed with caffeine or just didn't do anything. Neuro Energizer is different. It's made with powerful natural ingredients that support your brain without the crash or jitters. I'm talking about things like lion's mane mushroom, which helps with memory and neural growth, and ginkgo biloba, which improves blood flow to your brain. Then there's rhodiola and L-theanine, which help you stay focused and calm at the same time. I love that it's non-GMO, completely plant-based, and non-habit forming, just clean, smart brain support. Taking it is easy. 2 capsules a day with a glass of water, that's it. I take mine first thing in the morning with my tea, and honestly, I noticed a shift in just over a week. My focus came back, my afternoon brain fog was gone, and I actually felt mentally energized. Not hyper, not wired, just sharp, calm, and clear, which for me is everything. Now here's the really important part. Neuro Energizer is only available on its official website. I know it's tempting to check Amazon or other sites, but please don't. There are too many knockoffs floating around, and when it comes to something that affects your brain, you want the real deal. I've left the official link for you right below this video in the description, so just make sure you use that one if you decide to try it. And good news, they offer discounts if you buy more than one bottle, and there's a 100% money-back guarantee. So if it doesn't work for you, you can literally send it back. No questions asked. I went with the 3-bottle pack because it ended up saving me more, and I knew I wanted to stay consistent with it. So if your brain's been feeling a little sluggish, if your thoughts aren't as sharp as they used to be, or if you're just ready to feel mentally on again, I really recommend giving Neuro Energizer a shot. It made a huge difference for me, and I think it could for you too. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more real reviews, and drop any questions you have in the comments below. And remember, only order from the official link in the description. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.